Good morning, everyone. Well, it's going to be another warm one in the Quad Cities today. Instead of seeing high temperatures in the mid 50s, where we typically are for the start of November, high temperatures today, 20 degrees above that in the mid 70s, just missing our record highs in the upper 70s, way above normal. Feeling great this afternoon. Look for increasing cloud cover throughout the day. So starting out with mostly sunny skies, but eventually skies will become mostly cloudy. So that means most of the day we're going to have partly cloudy skies. Still no chance of rain during the day today. There is going to be more wind around today, though. Got to call it windy this afternoon with gusts picking up to around 35 miles per hour. So that's really the only negative. And again, when it's windy and temperatures in the 70s, not too bad. Wind chill factor to worry about. Now, the earliest we could start to see a shower or two pop up is 9 o'clock this evening, particularly in the western part of the area, places like Iowa City, Tipton, probably still going to be dry in the Quad Cities. And the rain's really going to struggle to move in tonight, so the earliest opportunity, 9 o'clock, but really just looks like a few isolated showers, especially late tonight. But let's jump ahead to the Friday morning commute. Here we are at 7 a.m. and a little bit better chance. So there's still gaps, so you might get lucky and drive in between the showers, but showers are going to be around for that Friday morning commute. And I've also got a note. Look at our temperatures at 7 a.m. Friday morning. So this is when we're typically in the mid 30s this time of year. Instead, we are going to be seeing temperatures in the low to mid 60s, just remarkably warm for the early morning hours this time of year. And it's still going to be breezy. I do have to say that though the winds are going to come down from where they're going to be this afternoon, it's going to stay breezy for tonight and then through the day tomorrow. So not as windy as today, but we're still going to be seeing gusts 20 to perhaps up to 25 miles per hour. Now, the best chance of rain right now on Friday is looking like the late morning hours, a period where we can call it scattered showers. So still some gaps, but this is probably our best opportunity at seeing some rain. And it does look like we're going to be a little bit cooler for Friday because a cold front is going to be right on our doorstep. And so that means we're going to see probably a little bit more variation in temperatures than usual from west to east. So our high temperatures are probably going to be around 3, 4 o'clock. And look how in the eastern part of the area, some will make it into the low 70s. In the Quad Cities, most likely upper 60s. But look in the western part of the area. Places like Iowa City and Tipton, we only top out in the low 60s Friday afternoon. Because the front is just going to be sitting right over to our west. But because it's just going to be to our west, that's why Friday doesn't look overly wet. Notice as we get into the afternoon, not as many showers showing up. This chance of rain is still there, but it does look like the peak is going to be in the late morning. And then we're going to be waiting on that front to actually push in, but we're already seeing the influence of it and the variation in our temperatures. So let's talk about Friday evening plans. And again, right now, the early evening hours still looking good. So it does look like just isolated showers at 7 o'clock. And look how 10 o'clock, this model is saying completely dry. So right now, looking like good news for Friday evening. And notice that temperature's still not too bad either. We're still talking about a lot of us low to mid 60s at 10 o'clock Friday evening, but notice it's 50s in the western part of the area. It's still going to be breezy Friday evening as well, so breezy conditions sticking around with us. The actual cold front looks to finally push in late Friday night, so that means rain chances going back up and they will continue into Saturday. Of course, look for an update on those rain chances coming tomorrow morning.